Good morning. My name is Dr. Ajith Kumar and I have been a part of this C.O.R.A Advanced Robotic Arthroplasty course. It's one of its kind course with up-to-date knowledge on the alignment philosophies, on the latest robotic that we have, and including knee simulator or the knee CAD that Dr. Greischen from Switzerland has brought into this course. It's quite useful tool for each and every practicing arthroplasty surgeon, and the feedback that I've got is that everybody has enjoyed it, and it's not just the delegates, even for the faculty it's been a learning experience, and I'm sure that the participants will enhance their skills and also update their knowledge about robotics in arthroplasty, in particular knee arthroplasty. Thank you.